Okay. This is Brendan's first rice cereal feeding. Ready, Brendan? Oh no. Brendan, you want some? Oh, there you go. No. Yeah, that's good.
There you go.
Ready? He's trying to get away from it. He's mostly pushing it out. Okay. Ready for more? His faces are going. You don't want it? What do you think? Can you eat some of it? Okay, let's try wiping you off. I think he's like, get me out of here. Ready? Go ahead. He's pushing my hand away. You don't like it? Look at his face. Is this not your cup of tea, Brendan? If you just want to go back to milk.
Try again tomorrow.
Okay, one more. Well, let's get you off. You're so distracted. What do you see over there that's so interesting? Okay, ready? Ready, Brendan? He so does not want anything to do with that. No? You won't take one more? It's like, Dad, save me. I think he's done. Good try, Brendan. We'll try again.